So you want to blow clouds, you want to chase the flavor, you want to build your own coils. You're sick of paying for pre-built coils and mild flavor. So you know what? You moved up to the next step. You bought yourself a mechanical. You bought yourself a hybrid. Well, if you bought yourself a hybrid, you're not going to be able to use a 510 connected ohm meter. So what are you going to do? If you're a noob, are you just going to build your coils and hope for the best? Well, I'd hope not. Spend yourself $60 for an auto-ranging multimeter. Best thing you can buy if you're going to get into vaping. If you're going to start chasing clouds, even if you're just going to start from vapor, if you're going to start building your own coils, this would be my first recommendation to buy right here. It's going to tell you your volts. It can even tell you your volts under load. It's going to tell you your ohms. Comes with a temperature gauge if you want to use it. Anything you touch, it'll tell the temperature of the surface instantly. And like I said, I picked this one up at Lowe's for $59.88, and this is a South wire. It's got a nice sturdy grippy rubber case on it. I wouldn't say it's waterproof, but it's probably water resistant. It's got a light. I don't know why you'd have to use it at night. Comes with everything you need, 9-volt battery, so that'd be a good recommendation for you. Second thing is battery safety. A lot of these devices, I know the Camry KTS, for example, comes with these ICR batteries. They say they're protected. Don't use them. In my opinion, I say don't use them. These are not that safe, especially if you're trying to go sub-ohm. I'd say even below 1.5 ohm. These batteries are just not good. And if you do have a problem, they're going to blow up. They're going to start on fire. They're going to burn you. They're just not good. Your IMR batteries, these are not protected batteries. Sony's not protected, but it takes you all the way up to 30 amps. So as long as you're safe, you keep yourself from hard shorts and you watch your voltage on your battery, then you'll be just fine. The other thing is, if you do have a problem with these batteries, just throw your device, try to throw it in the sink or just throw it away from you. It's just going to vent gas. That's why most mods have holes drilled in them for battery venting. These have a much safer chemistry, even though they're unprotected batteries. If you're really new and you're unsure and you're just not confident in your coils and you're not quite aware of shorts, read up on it. Get you an ohms calculator. Know your wattage and your voltage and what you're doing. Maybe get yourself a 2-cent vape safe. Get yourself a Camry KTS Plus with a vape safe. I mean, there's a bunch of springs in here. Sub-ohmers know it's not great conductivity, but it'll be good for you if you start. You don't have to worry about burning your hand off with one of these. It'll keep you from shorts and stuff like that. Make sure you get a VTC4 battery. I wouldn't get these for anything, like I said before, a 15 watt or lower device. So they're not that much more expensive, so stick with the Sonys in my opinion. Or if you want to spend a little bit more money, like today's, we got 50 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt devices out there now. So I mean, if you want to spend a little extra money to have all your protection in here, you got your ohms meter, your watts, your volts, all that fancy stuff. Some of them now, like the Cloudport T5, keeps your temperature of the chip and all that stuff, and you can still blow decent clouds, get all the flavor you want out of your drippers and your RTAs. So with that being said, vape safe.